Welcome to Money Ocean Channel, where we're all about unlocking financial freedom and success. Today, I've got something exciting for you. 4 simple steps to dominate the stock market. Whether you're just starting out or looking to fine-tune your trading skills, these steps are designed to simplify the process and give you the confidence to trade like a pro. Imagine mastering the stock market, growing your wealth, and taking control of your financial future, all with a strategy that works. Let's be honest, trading can feel intimidating. We've all heard stories about people losing their life savings or getting wiped out by a bad trade, right? It's enough to make anyone hesitant about jumping into the market. But here's the thing. Trading doesn't have to be overwhelming, and it doesn't have to feel like gambling. With the right approach, you can move past the fear and start seeing real results. The key is understanding how to navigate the market, and that's what we're about to dive into. For many people, the stock market feels like a maze of charts, jargon, and endless decisions. If you've ever stared at market reports or graphs and felt completely lost, you're not alone. It's normal to feel confused, especially when you're just getting started. The good news is that you don't need to become a financial expert overnight. You just need a solid foundation. These 4 steps will get you there. Now, let's get straight to it. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Before you make your first trade, take a moment to ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Are you here for short-term gains, or are you looking to build wealth over the long run? Having a clear goal gives you direction and helps you stay focused, even when the market gets tough. Your goal is your North Star. Keep it front and center. Step 2. Identify your risk tolerance. This is crucial. Before jumping in, understand how much you're willing to risk and what you can afford to lose. Successful traders don't just think about profits. They know how to protect themselves from losses. Whether it's setting stop-loss limits or diversifying your investments, it's about being smart with your money. Remember, risk management isn't just about avoiding losses. It's about being prepared for any market condition. Feeling good so far? Great. Let's move on to step 3, where we get into the meat of trading: market analysis. This is where you'll learn to read the signs that can give you an edge. Start by understanding the basics of technical analysis. Things like trend lines, moving averages, and volume indicators. The more you understand these tools, the better you'll be at spotting potential opportunities. But don't worry if this sounds complex. It's a skill that builds over time. Now, if you're enjoying the content so far, take a second and hit that subscribe button. At Money Ocean Channel, we're always sharing valuable tips to help you grow your financial knowledge. Subscribing ensures you won't miss out on any future videos. All right, back to the process. Step 4. Take action. All the knowledge in the world won't help if you don't take the plunge. Too many traders freeze when it's time to make a move. They overanalyze, wait for the perfect moment, or get spooked by market fluctuations. But trading is a game of calculated risks, and you need to take action to see results. It's like learning to swim. You'll never know what you're capable of until you jump in. The key here is to start small. You don't need to make massive trades right off the bat. Test the waters, build your confidence, and gradually increase your position as you gain experience. Think of it like learning a new skill, whether it's playing an instrument or working out. Consistency and practice are what make you better. Every trade is a learning experience. Let me share a quick personal story to drive this home. A few years ago, I was in your shoes, new to trading, uncertain about where to begin, and feeling overwhelmed by all the information out there. I made plenty of mistakes, but it wasn't until I started following a simple, structured approach that things turned around. By focusing on setting goals, managing risks, analyzing the market, and, most importantly, taking action, I went from confusion to confidence. Within a few months, I was making trades that led to consistent profits. Imagine that for yourself, making smart decisions, minimizing losses, and watching your account grow steadily over time. It's an incredible feeling when the pieces start to come together, and it all begins with a clear plan and a willingness to act. Now, let's recap the 4 steps quickly. Set your goals. What are you working towards in the stock market? Identify and manage your risks. How much are you willing to risk? Analyze the market. Learn how to read the charts and data. Take action. Don't let fear hold you back. If you follow these steps, you'll have a strong foundation to not only survive in the stock market, but to thrive. It's all about building habits that make trading less stressful and more profitable over time. Trading is a journey, not a sprint. The longer you stick with it and improve your skills, the better your results will be. Before we wrap up, I want you to think about this. What would financial success look like for you? Is it being able to quit your day job, travel the world, or simply build a safety net for your family? Whatever your vision, it's possible with the right mindset and strategy. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found this guide to the 4 steps of trading helpful, be sure to like the video and leave a comment down below. I love hearing about your trading experiences and strategies. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to Money Ocean channel so you can keep up with all the latest tips and strategies to grow your wealth. See you in the next video, and happy trading!